Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Hard House in FL Studio. We'll begin by crafting that signature powerful kick drum, which is absolutely essential for the genre's energy. Next, we'll layer in some crisp percussion, like claps and open hats, to build a solid rhythmic groove. Finally, we'll design a driving bass line that will keep your track moving and your listeners dancing. Let's dive into the details. Now, let's talk about melodies and synths. Hard House often features simple, repetitive synth melodies that create a hypnotic, driving feel. You'll want to use classic Hard House synth sounds, often detuned and slightly distorted for that raw edge. Don't forget to add short, punchy stabs and riffs. These are key for adding impact and keeping the energy high throughout your track. It's all about that relentless drive. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. It really supports the channel. On another note, making Hard House can be intense, so stay hydrated anywhere with the Oala water bottle. It's a fantastic way to keep your energy up during those long studio sessions. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Arrangement is crucial for a compelling Hard House track. You'll want to follow a typical structure, featuring powerful drops and impactful breakdowns to keep the listener engaged. Building tension effectively is key. Use risers, sweeps, and filtered elements to lead into those big moments. Remember to maintain high energy throughout the entire track, minimizing any lulls to keep the dance floor moving. Consistency is vital here. Finally, let's discuss mixing and mastering. It's essential to mix your kick and bass to hit hard and cut through the entire mix, as they are the backbone of Hard House. Apply compression and saturation strategically to add punch, warmth, and overall loudness to your elements. Master your track for maximum impact, ensuring it's loud, clear, and ready for any club sound system. This final polish makes all the difference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.